Okay, I'm going to try an experiment with you guys. So go ahead and follow carefully. So take your hand and put it up like this. Just put it up next to you. Right? I want you to follow me as quick as you can, as accurately as you can. Right? Go ahead and make a circle. Put it at the right angle so you can see it, right? Make a gun. Make a circle. Make a gun. Make a circle. Look at your circle. Look at my circle. Put the circle on your chin. It even works through Zoom. That's the first time I ever did it through Zoom. See that your chin is down here. I did say chin, right? Go ahead and look at your circle. Look at my circle. Put the circle on your chin. I did say call the words correctly, right? This is not the chin. This is the chin, right? It happens so easily, right? It was like 90% of people, right? So not all communication is verbal. It seems like it is. It really, really does. But obviously, I was talking the whole time, but you follow my direction, observing me, feeling, right? So 93% of communication is unawarely going and affecting us. So what just happened there, right? Compliance. You follow direction, you follow direction, you follow direction. After enough times of following direction, you just kind of trust into it and you just do it through demonstration, right? If you can really grasp that, I know it's very simple and easy, but it's very profound. And that's exactly what's happening with everyone following these things, right? Oh, just do a little thing here. Just stay away from everybody for 2 weeks. Oh yeah, just put on one mask for a little bit. Oh yeah, then just do this, and then do that, and then, right? Deep in trance, they're just following along, no critical thinking, right? Does that make sense? Pretty interesting, right? Especially if that worked on you, it's like, oh man, I'm subject to it too. Yeah, we all are, right? It worked on me the first time. So most of communication is below our consciousness. If you ever listen to a video with and without music or different music, it totally changes how you feel about it. You can say, hey, did you enjoy my dinner tonight? I can say, yeah. Second question, did you enjoy my dinner tonight? Yeah. I'm saying the same words, different tonality, right? So it's good to be aware of most of communication is not just the word, it's deeper than that, which is key if you want to spot all this stuff out.